Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Webflow export settings and site backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Webflow site, log in to your Webflow account. Navigate to the project you wish to back up. Once inside the project, click on the Settings tab in the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, find the Backups section. Here, you will see an overview of your site's backup history. To create a new manual backup, click on the Create Backup button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to generate the backup. Confirm your action, and the backup process will initiate. Wait for the backup to complete, which may take a few moments. After completion, you will see the new backup listed with a timestamp. For exporting your site, return to the project dashboard. Click on the Export Code button located on the top right. This export will include all the necessary HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Choose a location on your computer to save the downloaded zip file. Extract the files from the zip folder once the download is complete. Make sure to organize the files for easy access later. Remember, backups can be restored at any time from the Backups section. To restore, simply select the desired backup and click the Restore button. Confirm the restoration to revert your site to that backup point. Regularly backing up your site ensures that your data remains safe and secure. Consider establishing a routine for creating backups, especially before major updates. Now you are fully equipped to backup and export your Webflow site with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.